guys! Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your YouTube intro using a combination of two applications. It's KINEMASTer and PIXELFLOW. So yun yung ginamit ko in my own YouTube intro. It's very basic and it's very easy. Here it goes! So guys, we're now here in KINEMASTer app and you'll create a new project. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then choose the media you're going to use. So for example, this photo. Check. And then, so if you play the photo, yan. So gusto ko i-adjust or mas mag-zoom in pa siya. So you click the photo and then choose the pan and zoom. So here's the start position. Makikita nyo, pwede mo siyang i-resize. So gusto ko na full size ng photo muna. Then sa end position, gusto ko na mas mag-zoom in po siya. So i-adjust ko siya. Depende kung saang banda ng image mo gustong i-zoom in. So, for example, ganyan. Then check. Okay, so let's try. And so, nag-zoom in na siya. Now, I wanted to, gusto kong lagyan siya ng design, ng clip graphic. So, let's choose. So, let's choose the clip graphics. So, hanap tayo ng graphic design. Example, this artsy motion. So, if you click the styles, yan. So, meron siyang preview. Depende kung anong design yung gusto mo. So, yeah, for example, this one. So, check mo lang. Then, play. Ayan. So, ayan yung magiging effect. So, isave na natin siya. So, at the upper right corner, ayan. Then, open mo lang ulit siya. Yung project, then choose this. You can change the title. Click this Untitled 7. So, yan. Pwede mo na i-rename yung project mo. So, for example, sample 1. Then, choose this share icon. Yan. And export. So, as is na siya, hindi ko na ginalaw yung setting ng resolution, frame rate. So, just export. Click export. Yan. So, automatically mapupunta na siya sa folder ng export. So, let's make a new one. Another clip. So, now we're going to make the second clip. So, add project. 16:9 ratio. Choose the media. Check. So, adjust the photo. Whichever you like. So, end position. Same procedure with the first clip. But this time, gusto ko mag-add ng video within the image. So, choose layer. Choose media. Then, choose the video that you want to add. And so, here you can move the video and resize it. Ayan. So, I want to move it right here on the right side. Ayan. So, as you can see, magkaiba yung duration ng image sa video. So, what you can do is, pwede mong shorten ang duration ng video and image para sabay sila. So, let's play. So, here, ayan. So, meron ka ng image, meron ka ng video. So, you click the video and then mute the sound. Ayan. So, nakamute na yung video. So, after that one, I wanted to put a graphic or a clip graphic. So, let's go click them image. Then choose clip graphics and ayan. Let's choose the graphics. Now this one. Then let's check. Ayan. So yan yung lalabas. So if you're done with it, then save the project. So choose the project, rename it. Then click the share button, or share icon, then export. Ayan, so this will go automatically to the export folder. So now we will proceed to PixelFlow. Now we're here in PixelFlow. So here you can choose the different types of design ng title. So if you click this one, meron siyang preview ng design. So here, yan. So makikita nyo na kung ano yung design na gusto ninyo. So let's choose, for example, this one. Yan. So click edit. So here, makikita mo na siya. Here mayroong effect and background. So sa effect, yun yung text. So for example, lagay natin S, then sample 1. Then you can change the element colors. So for example, if you want it purple or blue, it's up to you. Yan. And then here you can scale or resize. So going to the left, it becomes smaller, then going to right, it becomes bigger. Then position X, you can move the text horizontally, and then position Y vertically. So let's proceed to background. So here in the background, maraming ways. You can choose the different types of background. There's dynamic, video, image, solid, and gradient. So in dynamic, here's the sample. So you just click that one, yun yung sample niya. So alam mo na kung anong lalabas. So but here we will choose video. So click video, and from internal storage, yan. Sorry. Export. Ayan. Ayan. So, now, ayan na yung kaninang ginawa nating clip sa KINEMASTER. So, let's go back to effect so we can adjust the title. If you want it bigger, and move it a bit on the right side. And so, that's what I did. So, adjust natin. Then, after that one, go to export. So, let's choose 1080p. So, yung file, nakasave na siya sa PixelFlow folder. So, now we are in our second clip. So, let's choose the design. For example, this one. So, edit. Then, rename the title. Then, change the element colors, or whatever design you like. Then, add the background. So, let's choose video from internal storage. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So, we can now go back to effect and scale the title and position the title. Ayan. So, for example, here. Then, export. Then, choose 1080p. So the file is now automatically saved in the PixelFlow folder. So guys, we're back in KineMaster, so we can already combine the two clips na inedit natin. So let's add project, choose 16:9 ratio, add the media, then click the PixelFlow folder. So here, some of the files, yung preview niya is all in black. So hindi natin alam kung which one is the file. But anyway, we can still find out by long pressing the file. Yan. And then, you can play. Ayan. So, now, alam natin kung ano yung laman ng file na yun. So, choose the plus button. Yan. If this appears encoding warning, just click OK. Then, another clip that we're going to use. So, just click the right button. Let's check kung ito yun. Yeah, so this is the another clip that we are going to use. So, click plus button. Ayan, and then okay. So, now, so just go back. Sorry. Ayan. So, let's play. Ayan. So, this one is the second clip. Gusto ko na itong isa yung mauuna. So, just click this one and drag it to the left. Ayan. So, let's play. So, siya na yung first clip. So, if you want to shorten the duration, ayan, drag mo lang siya yung end ng clip. So, ganun din sa isa. So, it's up to you. So, try natin. Ayan na siya. Okay. So, gawin natin a bit shorter. So, now, meron ka ng background. Meron ka ng clip. So, you want to add audio. So, go to audio and choose for the file. So, let's find. Yan. So, here is the sound. Ito yung napili natin. So, same din. Pwede mo rin siyang i-preview muna. So, kung yun na yung napili mo, just click add. Oh, sorry. Naka-add na pala siya. So, na-doble. So, kung nag-doble siya, just click the file. And on the left side, andun yung icon ng delete. This one. Yung mukha siyang basurahan or trash can. So, delete. Ayan. So, let's try. I-play. So, ganun lang siya. Very simple. Ayan. So, that's it. Very simple. Ganun lang kadali. So, same procedure if you're done with it and happy ka na sa nagawa mo, then same procedure, just go back and ayan, pwede mo na siyang i-export. So, let's rename. Then, share icon. Then, export. Yan. So, let's watch it again. So, that's it. So, I hope you learned something today and I hope makatulong siya sa inyong YouTube channel. Bye!